We're going to explain how to resolve parameters are of unsupported type errors in SQLite when using Python. This error typically arises when you're trying to insert or update data in your SQLite database using Python's SQLite 3 module, but you're providing the wrong data type for a parameter. SQLite is quite strict about data types, although it's dynamically typed. The error message itself isn't very informative, so let's break down the common causes and solutions. Incorrect data type matching. The most frequent cause is a mismatch between the Python data type you're supplying and the expected SQLite data type of the column you're targeting. For example, if a column is defined as an integer, but you're trying to insert a string, you'll get this error. Always double-check your table schema using schema table name in the SQLite 3 shell, and ensure your Python code provides data that matches. Strings should be enclosed in single quotes in your SQL query strings, numbers should be integers or floats, and dates times require careful handling. 2. Using the wrong placeholder style. SQLite supports several parameter placeholder styles, most commonly, and named placeholders like /name. If you mix and match these styles inconsistently or use an unsupported style, you'll get errors. It's best to stick to one style consistently within a single query. Example, if you use, your parameters should be a tuple. Cursor.execute, insert into my table, name value values, Alice, 10. If you use named placeholders, the parameters should be a dictionary. Cursor.execute, insert into my table, name value values, name value, name Bob, value 20. 3. Passing a non-scalar value as a parameter. Each placeholder should represent a single value. You can't directly pass a list or a tuple as a single parameter. If you need to insert multiple rows, you'll have to use parameterized queries within a loop, or possibly consider using execute many, which allows you to execute the same query multiple times with different parameter sets. 4. Incorrect date-time handling. Handling dates and times in SQLite can be tricky. SQLite doesn't have a dedicated date or time type. Typically, you'll store them as text, integer, Unix timestamps, or real, Julian dates. Make sure you're converting your Python datetime objects to the correct string representation, e.g. using strftime, before passing them as parameters. If using integers, correctly convert your datetime to a timestamp, seconds since the epoch. 5. Type conversion issues. Even if your apparent types match, subtle issues can occur. For example, a Python float might have more precision than SQLite's real column can handle. This can lead to truncation or unexpected results, and potentially errors. If encountering unexpected behavior, try using more specific types like int to ensure proper conversions. 6. Debugging techniques. To pinpoint the problem, carefully print the SQL query before it's executed using print cursor.mogrify query params. This will show you the actual SQL query being sent to the database and might reveal type inconsistencies, unexpected values, or other errors in the query structure. Additionally, always handle exceptions properly using try except blocks to catch and handle SQLite 3 operational error exceptions gracefully, and print relevant error messages for debugging. Remember to close your database connections properly to prevent resource leaks.